Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix electric water pump motor not pumping water problem by yourself. Viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazuman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that this is the underground. In the underground you can see there is water. You can see that this is the green pipe which is connected with the electric water pump motor. Viewers, the pipe is at some point is under the water. If I turn on the electric water pump motor, the water is not pumping. I will turn it on now. I have turned on the electric water pump motor. Now I will show you that the water will not be pumping. This is the pipe which is connected with the electric water pump motor and it is coming to the tank. This is the tank and you can see that the water is not coming. This is the pipe which is connected with the electric water pump motor, but the water is not coming. Now I will show you how you can fix this problem. Viewers, I will now turn off the electric water pump motor because the water is not pumping. Viewers, you must have a wrench or spanner. I have this wrench. Now I will remove this bolt with it. I have the socket which fits in this bolt through which I will remove this bolt. This is the socket which fits in this bolt. Now I will remove this bolt using the wrench. You have listened the pressure of the water which is below this bolt. It's due to the air which has gone inside this electric water pump motor. Once I will remove this bolt completely, it will go in the upward direction with some force. In your case, if the situation is same, then you must be careful removing the bolt. Viewers, in your case, there might not be pressure of water under this bolt. I will remove this bolt. You can see that the water has come out with pressure. You can see it's still coming out. Viewers, in your case, if the water has not come out like this or the hole is empty, what you have to do is take any mug, jug or lota, and through that you have to put the water inside the hole so that the hole is filled with water. Now I will put back the bolt. I will turn on the water pump motor once again and I will show you that tank once again which I have shown you before in this video, in which the water was not coming through the pipe. Now I will go up once again to show you that tank in which the water was not coming before. Viewers, you can see that this is the tank, and you can see that the water is coming through that pipe. Viewers, like this you can also fix the electric water pump motor not pumping the water problem by yourself. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.